Hello, my name is Yejun Hong. I am a medical student in the University of Calgary, and our team is here to explain sickle cell disease as a link between ophthalmology and hematology. Abnormalities within the blood and the vasculature itself can also cause disorders within the eye. New vessel growths can occur in the iris, retina, and the optic disc, and can be fatal to vision. Increased permeability in vasculature or increased viscosity in the blood contents can lead to pathologies in the retina because they're very intricate microvasculature that goes on to feed the different layers of the retina. Sickle cell disease is caused by sickling hemoglobinopathy. This is an abnormality in the hemoglobin that causes RBCs to become very abnormal in shape, resembling a sickle. As you can see in the picture below, there are cells that are shaped like a banana. This change in conformation can be triggered by hypoxia and acidosis. There's a vicious cycle where the abnormal RBCs obstruct the microvasculature, and this causes tissue ischemia and in turn causes more sickling due to creation of hypoxic environments. Let's review a very simple anatomy of the eye. The retina is the innermost layer of the eye, while the middle layer is the choroid and the outer layer is the sclera. Anterior chamber is the space surrounded by the cornea anteriorly and pupils and the iris posteriorly. Sickle cell disease can affect these areas the most. Let's go over the more specific pathophysiology of sickle cell disease. The oxygenation induces conformational change in the hemoglobin S, which stands for sickle. Hemoglobin S has the beta-6 location changes from glutamate to valine, which is a significant change considering that glutamate assumes a negative charge and valine is neutral electrically. In this conformation, different interactions between amino acids causes hemoglobin S to assemble into polymers in instances of hypoxia. This results in overall a sickle-like shape in the red blood cells. The cells become more sticky with this conformation, and it results in cellular adhesion with other cells and endothelial factors. The vascular factors, as well as the adhesion together, leads to vascular occlusion, as shown in the diagram on the right. African Americans are especially vulnerable to sickle cell disease, and in terms of geography, West Africa in particular. Having a family history of the sickle cell trait may cause that individual to inherit the sickle cell disease alleles.